everyone, my name is Tisha from Board Builder, and my project for today is going to be a hanging fridge organizer or a spice rack. So just a little introduction about myself. I am not a pro woodworker. I just started woodworking because of the pandemic. I got nothing to do in the house, so I started woodworking, and I actually found it very interesting and fun. I've already started making some designs, and actually this is one of them. I just found this design from Pinterest, and I really find it elegant and easy to make, and plus it really sells. Now if you're ready, let's go ahead and tackle some of the things that we'll be needing for this project. And that's my spice rack behind me. So what I really like about doing this project is that you don't have to do any drilling. All you have to do is hang it on your fridge, and that's it. So that's it for today. I'll see you on my next project, and don't forget to like and subscribe.